Hi, my name is Anna and I am a content creator on YouTube and I own the channel Blue Oral by Anna. And I've been working with Sohel Rana. He is amazing. He has helped me improve my SEO to gain more subscribers organically. And honestly, it has been a pleasure working with him. He is very thorough. He cares about growing your channel, gaining more subscribers. And he just has a way of just explaining everything to you, and any questions that you have, he'll answer them with no problem. He is very nice, very polite, and honestly, I've seen such a big difference since working with him, and I highly recommend Sohel to anyone who is struggling with their channel, especially if you're new to YouTube. So thank you, Sohel, so much. I really honestly appreciate it. He is honestly like family to me now, and I just feel like it's a blessing in disguise, to be honest, because I've seen such a drastic change, and I've been working with him for about a month or so, and honestly, he'll work with you. You tell him what you want, you tell him what it is that you like, what is it that you want to do with your channel, and he will help you. He does anything from SEO to thumbnails to backlisting, anything that it is that you need help with. Sohel is there to make it better and help you no matter what. And he is just such a beautiful person, such a beautiful personality, and he's honestly just a pleasure to work with. So thank you, Sohel, so much. And I hope that we can continue working together. So